Okay, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the average and the median and the percentiles on Excel. It'll be pretty simple, but just for those who have never used Excel, I'd like to demonstrate this. So the data is state population, including DC, right? So like there are 51 states. It's like 52nd row because the first row is label. Anyhow, I already listed the states from the biggest to the smallest, right? Let me first show you how to sort the data. Like I recommend you filter the data for the first step. So select two columns and check filter here. Then when you check filter, you see the arrow button here, arrow down, drop down button. So, and then you may sort from the smallest, like this, or from the largest. Or you can sort the states by their alphabetical order or reverse order, right? So this is pretty simple function on Excel. And let me first show you, I'm going to show you average and median and say 10, like 25 percentile and 75 percentile. Okay, so how you calculate the average? We have 51 numbers, and of course, you may use summation function. Sum equals sum parenthesis, open parenthesis, and drag the data area and close the parenthesis. Then you are going to get the sum of the populations, and then you divide it by sample size. Then you will get the average, right? This is summation. Okay, let me move them down. Sum, and then this is average, right? This is how you calculate the average, but actually the equivalent method is using just average function. Formula average type average equals type equality and then type average, open parenthesis, and select data area. And then close the parentheses, then you will get the average. As you see, they are the same thing, right? Because we're calculating the same average. Okay, pretty simple. Remember average formula. And when you calculate the median, uh, you may just use sort, right? So sort is I sorted from the smallest to the largest. So because there are 51 states, 26 smallest state is the median, right? Counting from the smallest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, you come to here. This is exactly the middle position, like because 25 states are above, smaller than Kentucky, right? And the other 25 states are greater than Kentucky, has a larger population than Kentucky. So in that sense, Kentucky is exactly in the middle. So this is the median. I use sorting, but actually you may just use median formula. Type equality and median, and then again uh, select data area and close the parentheses. Then you will get the median number. This is, again, see this, 4339367. That is exactly Kentucky's population. Okay. Okay. Then the next task is calculating percentiles. You may use 25 percentile or 20 percentile, whatever. Like, well, let's see, different percentiles. Basically, the formula is percentile. When you type equality and percentile, you see three different methods. The last one, the simple percentile formula, is actually outdated, right? If you try to use it, then it says available, but it is like Excel 2007 version and earlier. So it is outdated, like maybe obsolete version. So then you have two choices. INC means inclusive formula, and this is exclusive formula. The difference is inclusive formula means you include the smallest observation as 0% and the largest one as the 100%. So and that is the standard. Inclusive formula is the standard, but exclusive formula is also used, especially for like small data set. But I recommend you use inclusive one. Just click that and choose the data area. Then you are going to see. Wait. Sorry about that. So I chose the data area like this, and additionally, you need to choose the percentile. I did not specify. We are interested in 25 percentile, 25%, which is 0.25, right? So then you are going to get a number. So this is bottom 25% value. Like 1/4 of the observations are below this number. It is somewhere between Idaho and Nebraska. It's right. This number is somewhere in between them. So 14 states are below the 25 percentile. So you can use the same formula, choose the data area, and if you type 0.75, you will get 75 percentile. That is this number. Okay. So in this way, you can calculate 10 percentile, like 90 percentile, whatever percentile between 0 and 100. Okay. Once again, I recommend you use percentile.inc. Inclusive formula is more common. Okay, this is a simple demonstration how you calculate the mean and the median and the percentiles. Okay, see you later. Thanks for watching.